Now, how to process a payment with TrainYouCan? That's quite simple. Just go to the TrainYouCan website. That's www.trainyoucan.co.za. And once you're on this site, here on the right-hand side, right top corner, you will see the Payments tab. So I've clicked on the Payments tab, and it will be directing me to this site here, the site between Classroom and e-learning. Now, if you've done an e-learning course, then just simply click on the e-learning picture. And then it's going to open up a list of all our e-learning courses. So just go down the list and pick your unit standard. For this example, I'm going to take the Assessors course, this 115753. You can also process payment for multiple courses. So I'm just going to say Assessors course. I'm going to click on this one. It's going to open up, and they say the full price is 1,800 Rand. Now, I know a lot of people wants to process payment plans, for a deposit first and not process the full one. So here you're allowed to enter the custom amount. So say, for example, I just want to make a down payment of 100 Rand for this one. I type in 100 Rand, and then it will allow me to click this one here, add to cart. So I'm just going to add that one. So now it's going to list it to my cart. So I can see here I've got one Assessors payment that's pending. I can go back to the courses and process some more payments if I want. Otherwise, if I'm decided, listen, I'm done. I want to process this payment of 100 Rand for the Assessors course. Simply go down here. I'm going to type in my name, my surname in there. If you're from a company, you can also do it there. If you've got any personal notes here, you can type in your personal notes in there for our accounts department. Our region, I'm just going to say South Africa. Yes, just leave it for South Africa. My street address I'm going to put here, the area. So I'm going to say I'm from Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. There it already picked up. Our province is KwaZulu-Natal. There's the postal code there. Phone number is very, very important, and I suggest that you take the cell phone number that you've taken with your registration. It just helps that if there's a problem, that the people can trace you and maybe phone you. So I think I've got too many digits in there. So your cell phone number where they can contact you if they've got any query regarding it, and then my email. I'm going to say my email, 0ZA, where you want this payment confirmation to be sent. There they say I'm going to process it for the Assessors course, 100 Rand on the Assessors course. Now that is going to go down on my name. If you're scared, you can also go to optional notes and enter your ID number if you want to do that, to make sure we match the correct person. Now, at the bottom, you're going to get a couple of options. Those people who wants to do a direct EFT transfer from their bank to our account can take the top option. Some of the people wants to come and pay cash with our offices, then you can take this option. If you want to pay online with the card, your credit card or your debit card, that will direct you to pay for a secure site. Those linked with Zapper, you can click this one, and alternatively, those with Bitcoin can then also select these other options here, or pay through invoice. I'm just going to say direct EFT. So I'm going to click that one there. I'm going to say place order, and you will see the system will hang for about a minute or two, and that's done. And immediately once I go to my email, and you will see that there's an email waiting for you on your email address. Now, if there's no email, remember to check your spam folder. You can open up the email. There's a PDF invoice there, and all the banking details that's required will be on that.